Alright, get a lot of people asking the best way to get their valve bodies in. Over the years, this is the best method I've found. If you got your unit on the bench, you can use an overdrive cam. It's 23 spline. Put that over your output shaft, so you can rotate it. And you want to put your park rod in the extension housing, overdrive housing. You can hear the park ball going back and forth and feel the tension of the spring, releasing and contracting. So you want to preload your park rod and slowly, there you go, rotate your cam there and get it to the point where you can take that park rod and just slide it in and out, effortless. Take your valve body, put some assembly lubricant on the case connector and where the rooster comb goes through. Now just take your valve body. Kabooyah!